What up? I'm gonna be a little quiet because there's people on train, but we made it on the Glacier Express. So, had some strawberries, just ate some pizza. Glacier Express. These are the windows. First class. Yeah, we're leaving in 8 minutes. Probably not gonna talk much during this because I don't want to disturb people, but I'll try to get some videos for the content. But yeah, I'm super excited. It's super nice in here. And yeah, pretty train right here. Let's go.
Hey yo, we're back. Finally,
off the Glacier Express, and it was nice. This is where I'm walking now. Super pretty. I'm in St. Moritz. Apparently it's a little ski town. There's some lifts up there. Yeah, super pretty area with a nice little lake. Overall opinions of the Glacier Express where it was pretty good. Service was really good if you wanted it. I didn't get any food because it was super expensive, but it smelled good. And the one dessert I got for free was good. I was expecting a little better of views. The views are very good, but nothing that just caught my eye. And it might be because I've been in Colorado for the past, 4 years, so I'm a little spoiled with that. But yeah, it was all right. I would probably do it again, especially if I had someone to share the experience with, because no one on my train spoke English, so it was me just sitting there the whole time listening to other languages, and then people across from me didn't speak any English at all. So yeah, I didn't have many conversations during that at all, which was just kind of a bummer. But yeah, overall opinions, it was good. I got a 30-minute walk to the hostel now, and I'll keep you guys updated. But yeah, St. Moritz right now. Let's get it. However, this is super pretty with that sailboat gliding across the lake. And there's a bunch of streams and waterfalls coming from the mountain. This is super pretty. I can't imagine how cold it is on that sailboat though, because I think it's 11 degrees Celsius here, so it's around 60, low 60s I believe in Fahrenheit. So it's a little bit chilly. The wind coming off the water is also pretty chilly. Again, scolding my dad for taking my sweatshirt out of my bag. So I'm gonna be here for a few days, and if I want to spend any time outside at night, I'm gonna need a sweatshirt. And it's kind of raining, so yeah, GG's. 20 minutes left to like. What up? I'm back. I'm in St. Moritz right now. I'm staying at the youth hostel here, and it's pretty nice. They have, I'm watching this horror game right now alone. I was here with probably 5 18-year-olds. They're all on a tour trip together for 2 weeks. But I think they're going down and they're gonna go drink and play pool, which I don't feel like doing. I'm tired. A lot of traveling the past few days, a lot of moving, so I don't really feel like just drinking alcohol and with a bunch of 18-year-olds doesn't seem like that much fun to me. Overall, it's pretty nice here. It's super expensive. I'm ready to get out of Switzerland just for that reason. I think I would stay longer if I planned better and went camping with actual food. But yeah, it's nice. Super pretty. Hello, what's up? Back in the nature. Not really. There's houses right there. But coming to Eno, and it's my last night in the Alps, and I'm headed, like I said, to Venice tomorrow in Italy. But yeah, just gonna sit in Eno and take it all in. I think I'm gonna try to find a spot above the lake, looking over the town, and just hang out for a little bit and try to slow my thoughts down, because it's a very pretty place to do it. this is the spot. Let's go. I don't know what that noise is that keeps going on. Now this right here on the Eno is what I've been looking forward to for a long time. I don't think I've been on an Eno since college with my best friend Jake. So it's nice to be back here. It's super pretty. The sun coming through the trees. Right there. It's a little chilly, but yeah, the view of the, I think, east side of the town. It's a cell phone tower up there, and then we've got the lake right beneath us. This grass is super long, but it's like not thick. There's like a lot of cool rocks and like stuff in it. But yeah, the trees are pretty high as well. And it smells really good. Yeah, nice. So I'm just walking back on the trail. Some nice pink flowers. But this mountainside is so pretty. There are so many waterfalls. Even from like here you can see. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but every little like indent area, there's like waterfalls going down the whole way. It's big cliffs and big waterfalls. Unfortunately, this is my last night in the Alps. These are some cool flowers. A lot of them. Good morning. Yeah, last night after the hammock, I pretty much just went to sleep. So that's why I haven't filmed anything. But I am now on a train, and there's some beautiful smoke rising from the lake this morning. It's a very pretty morning. No clouds in the sky. Pretty nice temperature. Just took the bus here, but we're headed to Venice, Italy, which I'm pretty excited for. Heard really good things about it, and I'm staying at a hostel that one of my friends recommended, so I'm excited for that as well. They have a club in the bottom on like Fridays and Saturdays, so it should be some little social factor. I think I need some social in my life. I don't really even know what I want in my life right now, so I don't know. But yeah, it is currently 7:30, and I'm arriving at 14:30, so I have about a 7-hour journey today, which isn't bad. 8-hour journey. But my connections are kind of quick, so hopefully there's no delays. Because if there's delays, it's gonna make my travel day like 16, 17 hours, which I've had enough of in the past week and a half. Oh my gosh, they're so long. They take out a whole day, which sucks. But yeah, good morning, and I'm on the road again. Willie Nelson, what a song. What a song.
On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. I'm going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway, of friends, insisting that the world keep turning our way. And our way is on the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. Life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. Life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. And I can't wait to get on the road again.
So I'm just on the train ride to Venice. And it's just so beautiful. And one of the most beautiful things about, I think, the Swiss compared to the Rockies is the glaciers. The glaciers add so much beauty, just having character. They bring massive rocks down from the top to the bottom over hundreds of years, and they're just massive rocks just sitting in places that they just shouldn't be sitting in. And then on top of that, there's just so many waterfalls. And they're always running because there's always snow up there that's melting. And everywhere you look, there's always waterfalls. Right now, right on that right, the very right glacier that's coming down, at the bottom, right before at the cliff, there's a big waterfall coming down. It's just very pretty. Also, this lake is very pretty. I'm sure it'd be super cold to swim in, but nice little parallel plunge. But just got done with some bread and salami as my breakfast. I had a banana at the hostel. I didn't have too much time to eat. Decided I had to catch the train at 7:48, and breakfast started at 7, so got a banana and dipped. Yeah. I think this area is super good for camping. There's a lot of people there, just like over there. That's like the only thing in this town. It's that little hotel and restaurant. And then besides that, there's nothing here, which is really cool and good to know for if I ever come back to Europe. I think I'd rather stay in places like this rather than like the ski resort mountain towns. It seems a lot more peaceful, a lot more nature, obviously a lot prettier. Look at that. Yeah. See you guys in a little bit. Right there on the top of that hill, looks like there's a little cabin or a little hut. Wow, that would be gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it's an insane waterfall over there. Zoom in for you guys. Wow. That's crazy. So like that hut right there, I think it's the type of thing I wanted to do, but sadly they were all booked out by the time I started planning my trip, so that's a bummer. Waking up to a glacier and a beautiful waterfall with just on top of a mountain, on top of a cliff. That's what life's all about. But you know, at least I get this view on the train. Wow, that water. This is what I expected out of the Glacier Express. So far, this train ride has been so much prettier than the Glacier Express. Wow, that water is stunning. That waterfalls. Wow. This is better than the Glacier Express. Ah!